In this video, I'm going to show you how to add US International Keyboard in Windows 10 PC. So if you want to add US International on your Windows PC or laptop, so click on Start, then Settings. In here, click on Time and Language. Click on Language. Now click on English US. Options. Click on Add a Keyboard. In this list, select US International. This one, US International, select it. Now click on this back arrow. Now click on this keyboard icon and select here US International. That's it. So like this you can add US International keyboard on your Windows. Thanks for watching.